Ladies, hello. So today our lesson na for concealer and contouring. Today we will teach how to take conceal, how you go take contour for beginners. Which shade you go use, which shade you no go use. So if you never subscribe, beg do hit the subscribe button before you tell me say you don't forget. So without make we enter this video. So for your makeup to come out very well, like for your makeup to last you all day, you need to start off with the proper skin prep. I will put the video of skin prep for description below so that because I don't want to make this video too long. I go apply my foundation and they use Hega and Esther. But don't use small with my damn beauty sponge. I don't show now. I will include clip on how I go wet on a damn beauty sponge because I see say some people know how to wet them. So if I apply my foundation, if you been there when I've been there review this foundation, you go see say I like one of those foundation what I really like because it match my skin tone. So I go blend them too for my neck. If you see, go see say my neck dey dark and my face and my chest. So I'd always blend my foundation go my neck. And this foundation what I like am now, it dey lightweight so you fit apply until you reach the level of coverage where you want. So concealer what they use today na flawless camouflage concealer. So your concealer wey you go use na concealer wey be 1 or 2 shade lighter than your skin tone, may no pass 2 shade. You go apply am underneath your eyes, the bridge of your forehead, the bridge of your nose, and your chin too. Your contour you go use foundation or this thing wey dey 1 or 2 shade darker. As for beginners, I go say this method wey I wan do so may you no try am. But because I wan demonstrate something, that's why I dey use this method. But for beginners, no try am. As you don apply your concealer finish, blend am first before you go contour. But since I wan show una something, so for contouring, you see this your forehead, to apply for your forehead, this your cheekbone side, if you like, if you get this thing you fit apply here, but this side na optional. Then this your nose, this your nose side, your nose. So you see the areas where you need conceal and contour. So I go start to dey blend out the contour now because this foundation dey fast dry. Now I'll come dey blend out my concealer. I go start from my forehead. If you use concealer wey fast dry, you fit use your setting spray now so that it go soften am up. But since this one no dey fast dry, I go blend. See how beauty sponge sweet. Na just one beauty sponge I dey use since so. Don't mess my nose. See why they like do am one after the other. Go drag am come up here. You see the side where I been use blend out my foundation, I'll come use that side try make am dey transition, blend out the edges so that e no go dey harsh like this. That's why it's good to use concealer wey dey one shade lighter. So now I don blend my contour, I don blend my concealer. I'll come put blush. I like liquid blush. I'll come put blush now. I need do this contour again, my nose contour. You see say I don use this thing spoil am, so I need go back redo my nose contour. Do am like this, put for my brow area. Now for my brow area. Your nose contour too. Anyhow you do your nose now, so you go come out. If you tell me e dey crooked, your nose go come dey crooked. Your nose contour, you need dey very careful. And you no too need dey dark or e go dey very harsh. This thing na balancing. You need balance them all. My contour, I go use this flawless lip palette. You see say I don't really use this one. This one dey fine for my skin. And contour, I dey put am for the back of my hand. Warm am up before I put for my face. Back of my hand. Warm am like this. Then see, go come blend that demarcation between my contour and concealer. Wetin go come make am? We go marry them well, very fine. So I say this shade for my skin, e dey fine. I like drag and come my forehead too. Because who no like color? Now we don't finish all the liquid one. Now na to go powder. And I dey like set my this thing with pressed powder. I'll still can use this flawless. You need make am be the shade of your concealer. If you know be, go come dey dirty for your face. So especially when you dey dark like me, I can use this shade. Carry my beauty sponge, pick am. Come take am for the back of my hand. Make it blend out well for the back of my hand before I carry am go my face. Apply for my face. If you no do am like that, e no go dey even out. You just carry am like that, apply for your face. You fit even cause patches. So I will take again. Do am for the back of my hand. Apply. Apply for my forehead too. You set other places where you been highlighting, where you been put concealer. See, I see you don't do fine, shebi. E dey smooth. For contouring, when you want set the place where you contour, you go still use one or two shades darker, and we dey use brush for this one. When you do, you tap am like this. And for contouring, we no dey press am. We dey do like we dey dust out something. So we will use dusting motion. Do like you dey dust out something come out for your face. Even your nose you go hold am small like this. Set am. Blush we dey use brush too, because now still that dusting motion we go use. Put am. If you no get the blush, you fit use your eyeshadow wey be the same color as your blush. Just set them up. Do am like say you dey dust. So to set your whole face, you go use powder, your powder brush. Take powder wey be your skin tone. Just am out, tap am out. Come set everywhere. Set everywhere, make everything marry together. This one you go do am like bouncing, you dey bounce. Bring am come your down. So when you don finish your eye makeup, you come set your whole face with your setting spray. Let am dry. Ladies, we don finish oh. E no too hard like that. Abeg who dey with at ten dance, pass am for the comment section. So contouring and highlighting no too hard like that. Na because of big English na im dey confuse everybody. So they dey say na just for your concealer, you use concealer wey dey 2 or 1 shade lighter than you. For your contour, e fit be foundation, e fit be this thing, use 2 shade or 1 shade darker than you. Apply your contour for the perimeter of your hair, for your chin, and here you get that double chin. For your concealer, you just apply am under your eyes, places where you go want make e bright, like when you want take picture, you want that side make e dey bright. Under your eye, the bridge of your nose, your forehead, and your chin. Blend am out with your beauty sponge or with your concealer brush, anyone wey you get. Set am. Na just makeup no too hard. Makeup no hard. Na just us dey make am, make the process dey very long. E come dey like e hard. So guys, I hope say una learn something from today's video. Until next week, bye bye.